Hi, I'm Jim Coffey. We're about to show you a series of river rescue techniques, a combination of skills, tips, and tricks to make you a better river rescuer. This is designed specifically for river runners. For people who want to run bigger, harder whitewater, we want you to also have the necessary skills as far as rescue goes to be able to do that in the event that something goes wrong. So before we can get started with becoming experts in water rescue, we need to also look at some of the equipment that we're going to carry with us. And it's important that when we pack our paddling gear, that we pack our rescue gear as well. We know when we go paddling, there's certain gear which is necessary for us to bring with us. We need to have good quality footwear, something which is rugged, that we can walk in and potentially walk out of the river in the event that we have to do some type of evacuation. We then move up to thermal protection, and our thermal protection should be adequate and appropriate for the water temperature that we're going to be paddling. Gearing up for the water temperature is important because while we're rescuing someone, we may spend considerably more time in the water than we had originally anticipated. Having a good quality whitewater helmet is important. Often having ear protection on that helmet ends up being advantageous in the event that we take a blow to the side of the head. We then want to start looking at our most important piece of equipment, which is our rescue PFD. We're recommending, if you're going to become an elite rescuer, that having a PFD which is designed as a rescue jacket with an integrated harness is the way to go. So with the rescue PFD, there are 4 F's that we look for. We want to make sure that we have proper fit. We want to make sure that we have adequate flotation. We want to ensure that we have a bit of fashion, and what we generally refer to in fashion is color. And from there, it's function, and there's a few additional things that we want to have with our PFD. One is to have an integrated harness in our PFD. We should have a knife which is easily accessible by both hands, a whistle which can be easily accessed, a set of medical gloves in the event that we have to provide some first aid, a snack of some sort, a light source such as a glow stick, and possibly even a pocket mask. Those are some of the things that we want to have with us, and we'll go over some of the specifics of how we use the rescue harness a little later on in our series. As well, we want to have a high quality throw bag with low stretch floating rope, a rescue kit or a pin kit, which we could either purchase commercially packaged or make ourselves, consisting of 4 locking gate carabiners, 3 pulleys, 2 short pieces of cord to make what we call pressix, and 1 piece of webbing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Apart from our rescue kit, we'll then have a first aid kit, some type of emergency or survival kit if in the event we had to bivvy and stay out overnight, and a communication device such as a cell phone or satellite phone or a spot device so that we can get help in the event that we need help for our expedition. Now that we've got everyone thinking the same way, we're going to try and keep this very light and very lean so that we can do a maximum amount of tricks and techniques using a minimal amount of equipment in the event that we have to perform some form of river rescue.